Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Instagram dismiss problem. To know how to fix Instagram dismiss problem, you should just go to settings like this. You will click. After that, in this page you will go to apps here like this, and when you will see this list you will go down to find the application of Instagram. After that, here in this page you will go to first stop, and when you will end this you will click storage here, and then in this page you will click clear data, click cache, and then you will click clear data, and after that you can update your application so that you can know how to fix Instagram dismiss problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.